Hi everybody and welcome back to Celtic Crocheter. Today we are going to learn how to do the purl stitch. As you can see, I've already done my cast on and I've knitted the first row. Anybody who doesn't know how to do the cast on or the knit stitch, I will leave a tutorial below for you in the description. I haven't cast on many stitches, as you can see, and for our knit stitch, normally we go in here, but for our purl, we're going to be going in the opposite way. But we also need to have our yarn on this side. So it's coming in and over, coming out to the right rather than to the left. So again, pick up your yarn. Okay, so you're going to hold your yarn whatever way you are comfortable with. And that's why I use these needles as well, because I find them very comfortable to use. Okay, so we're going to insert our hook in through the front of that stitch. Okay, so we're going to hold it there in place. We're going to wrap our yarn around. Use your thumb to keep it a little bit of attention. Wrap your yarn around and pull up your loop and pop that stitch off. Again, in through the front, crossing over your needles again. Yarn over, use your thumb for a bit of tension, and then pull up your loop. Okay, in, yarn over, and pop off that loop. Okay, so around your hook, your needle, pull it back through and pop that stitch off. Continue that right to the end, and that is your purl stitch. Nice and simple stitch. Can be a little tricky to get comfortable with it to start with, but once you do, you'll be flying with it. Okay, so join us in our next tutorial to do the stocking stitch, which is a combination between our knit and purl stitches. And if you like the video, please subscribe, and we'll see you in our next knitting tutorial. Until then, happy knitting.